Hello and welcome to the TC Hustle channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to build your dream home from the ground up. Building a home can seem like a daunting task, but with the right planning and execution, it can be a rewarding and exciting experience. So, whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-time homeowner, we hope this video will give you the tools and inspiration you need to get started. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel by hitting the share and subscribe buttons. Click the like button to like this video, and press the notification bell to get notified on all new videos when they are posted to the channel. Now let's dive into the topic of building your home from ground up. Step 1. Choose a site and acquire land. The first step in building a home is choosing the right location. Consider factors such as proximity to amenities, schools, and public transportation, as well as the overall layout and topography of the land. Once you've found the perfect site, make sure to acquire the necessary permits and any other legal documents before moving on to the next step. Make sure you have a clear budget and timeline for the entire project. Step 2. Design your home. The design phase is where you get to bring your vision to life. Work with an architect or designer to create floor plans and 3D models of your home. This is also the time to think about the materials, finishes, and features you want to include in your home. Be sure to work with a budget in mind and make any necessary trade-offs to stay within it. Step 3. Hire a contractor and gather materials. Once you have your design finalized, it's time to bring in a contractor to bring your vision to life. Shop around and get quotes from multiple contractors before making a final decision. You'll also need to gather all the necessary materials for the build, including lumber, concrete, roofing, and more. Make sure to plan ahead and order these materials in advance to avoid delays. Step 4. Break ground and begin construction. With your contractor and materials in place, it's time to break ground and start building. This is the most labor-intensive and time-consuming part of the process, but it's also the most rewarding as you start to see your home take shape. Be sure to stay in communication with your contractor and address any issues or concerns as they come up. Clear the construction site and prepare the land for building, which involves grading the land, installing the foundation, setting up utilities such as electricity, water, sewage. Start building the frame of the house, which involves constructing the walls, constructing the roof, installing windows and doors. At this stage, ensure the house is structurally sound and meet all necessary building codes. Step 5. Finishing. As construction nears completion, it's time to start thinking about the finishing the house, including installing drywall, painting, adding flooring, electrical, plumbing, HVAC systems. Step 6. Final touches to your entire home. It's time to apply final touches to your entire home, most especially the compound. Try and landscape the yard. Install any other needed appliances in the home. Add any final decorative touch to the home. Building a home from the ground up can be a challenging, rewarding, and time-consuming experience. With careful planning, attention to detail, you can turn your dream home into a reality and create a beautiful and functional home that you can be proud of. We hope this video has given you the tools and inspiration you need to get started on your own home build. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on real estate. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.